Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? How y'all been? It's rainy today. Anyway, I just wanted to come in real quick and share this unit that I'm rocking today. Lace Bona by It's a Wig. This is what she looks like. Yeah. And I don't know. She's super curly and fluffy. The hair is super soft. But she got too many curls for me. We just ain't getting along right now, you know? I don't know. But I'm gonna finish the review so you guys can check her out and see what you think. I remember this unit came from Sam's Beauty, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember how much because she's been in the box for a while, but I just want to pull out a new unit. I didn't know she was gonna be doing all this. You know what I'm saying? She doing too much. It's just, I don't know. She real bouncy, behaving. I don't know. She needs something. She needs something. I even tried to, you know, cut this away a little bit, but it keeps coming back to my face. So I don't know. And if I'm not mistaken, she wasn't that expensive. So if you wanna get up, play with it, and you like these big curls, I mean, go for it. But it's too much for me. It's too much. It's too much in my face. Okay, y'all, stay tuned for the specs and the inside review of this unit. And I'll talk to you guys real soon. See you in the next video. Bye. Okay, guys, this is what the unit looks like in the package. And it's really the regular packaging, nothing special. This is Lace Bona. Yeah, she's in a 1B. As usual, hopefully this will be my hair for the week. Get her out of here. Standard wig packaging as always. I don't know, I really like It's a Wig units. They do great. This hair is so soft and I'm just not even, wow. Their hair is, it's always soft. I don't know how they get synthetic hair to feel so human-like hair. I mean, that's just what it feels like. Nice little parting space there, and it's just the standard inside of the cap with the little straps in the back. There's a comb in the back and two in the front. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get this lace off, put a little concealer in this part, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna pop this baby on. Alright, see you guys in a second. Okay guys, I have all the lace off. And this part is really nice. The part is made out of that really soft lace, even though the outside lace is that hard lace. It's not that super hard plastic, but you see it's just, it's like that. Let's put this baby on. See what she looking like. I forgot to adjust the straps. Let me clip these real quick. My dog's sitting over there looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking. He think I'm talking to myself. Okay. That part is just, it's really good. Really good. I'm gonna be rocking me some Shirley Temple curls all week long because that's what I'm planning on rocking. This unit right here. I like this hair. I don't know. It's a Wig got this synthetic hair game down pat. If y'all been sleeping, It's a Wig, y'all tripping. Now I have gotten a couple that I didn't like. One that really did look like a chicken. The cut, the color, the fit, it was super small. But for the most part, they got it together. Okay, these curls are they're a little big. I ain't gonna front that they're a little big for me right now. Hopefully if I pull them out. They're a little fat. A little fat and a little dry looking, which I didn't bring anything in here. Who you barking at? I'm just talking to the camera. He getting really agitated over there because he can't figure out who I'm talking to. He got some little baby growls going on under his breath. This here hair is really curly. Ooh. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of doctoring on this because this hair is super curly. I didn't bring a brush in here. But I like the curls, and this hair is so super soft. I want me a little bit of baby hairs because it's so curly. I feel like Shirley Temple for real. This hair is super. I'm not gonna keep saying it, but it's so soft. It feels like human hair. I really need a brush. Y'all see the back. I'm so. Wear something like this. Okay guys, this is a wig, lace Bona in a 1B. And yeah, this is who I'm gonna be rocking this weekend. I can't say I'm gonna be able to deal with all these tight curls. These tight curls all week. Cause they gonna keep doing this in my face and I'm not gonna like that. So, and I didn't bring any scissors to cut it or trim it, but I have her right in the intro. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye. Bona, oh, we just ain't getting along. We ain't teeing. These curls getting bigger and bigger. And y'all know how I am about hair in my face. I'm gonna have to put her on a mannequin and snip and cut her a little bit more. I'm just saying. Just saying. Just saying.